Good morning, my friends. It is Monday morning, which is unusual for unboxing, but I thought I'd try out a new day. That way I can ensure everything is ready on Tuesday morning when we open the store back up for anybody who is interested in any of the goodies that I share in unboxing. So we're going to try to pivot to Monday morning and see if that is actually a helpful change or if we go back to Tuesday. So you guys might not catch this live. This might be a replay for you. But either way, I have lots of fun things to share this week, so should be a good one. On that note, if you see anything that you like and you want to learn more about it or you want to scoop it up for your collection, go to classback.ca, click on shop the month of September or shop new arrivals the month of September, and there you will find all of today's goodies. Okay, so first things first, you may have seen a post that Bella did yesterday or the other day about All in Create, but we have some adorable stamps. This one says things like dearly yours, reign in the chaos, and from our herd to yours, and they are these wonky little deer. They're so cute. Speaking of wonky, I love these little elves. So this one says still wrapping, still lost, and elf employed. So cute. And then they have like the cute little eyes. I just love them. And then we have this guy here. This one is called Christmas Capers. And what's more fun than cats at Christmas times? They love Christmas trees. You could have this one peeking out, for example. This one peeking out from the gifts. Who knows? You can do lots of things with them. And they're a lot of fun to color as well. They have an adorable tiny gnome tucked in here. A cute little Christmas tree. So this is a really fun set. Moving right along, we have some new arrivals from Spellbinders, starting off with this one. This one is called the Autumn Archives Die Bundle. So in this bundle, open it up and see, you get the following. You get this adorable, like, Western style alphabet. Then you get these beautiful leaves and acorns. I love the different sizes of all of them. I think that's really cool. Great for doing all of your like fall crafting and wreaths and just nice little embellishments. The changing trees. How fun is this? And it doesn't have to be fall. Like you could do these in pinks and blues for new baby. You could do them in greens and stuff for spring. And last but not least, you get this plate or die set here. This one is documenting labels, which we all love our labels. It says things like autumn, leaves, season, noted, fall, cozy. And then I love this little round tag. I think that is so fun. So for all of you gift tag makers as well, this is a really cute set. And the whole bundle is just, it's awesome. So I'm going to put that back in the bag before we move right along. There we go. Then we have this really awesome embossing folder. This one I think is Simon Hurley and Spellbinders. It's called Damask. It's really pretty. You can kind of see it. And then if I flip it over, maybe you can see more of the details, but I absolutely love it. This would be great for backgrounds, again, for all seasons and occasions. You could do this for weddings, birthdays. The world is your oyster. Then we have this lovely country Christmas barn die set. How cute is this? So not only is it this like cozy little Christmas barn, you can have the doors open, you can have them closed, you can personalize it with wreaths and trees and Christmas lights. And you can even use it, again, just to do like a really cute barn and tuck like little sheep stickers or cow stickers on it. This is another wonderful new die we have from Spellbinders. This one is called Sharon Scissors. It looks like it's in honor of Sharon Kilma. And I love the little heart details. It says things like, "You're always in my heart." So one lovely sentiment. Then we have the Better Press plate and die set. This one is seasonal. It says merry and bright, season's greetings, Merry Christmas, warm winter wishes, and joyful Noel. But these are classic greetings for the holiday season, and I love that you get the coordinating die cut. So you just press them out or stamp them out and then cut them. There's also this one, gather and give thanks, grateful for you, and sending autumn cheer. So perfect for the cozy fall weather that we have coming. And again, these are really lovely. You just press or stamp them and then cut them. And they also work beautifully with the foiling system. So if you have the Spellbinders Glimmer Foil system, this one is a necessity. Then there's this cutie pie. This is the Dancin' Mummy die from Spellbinders. So if you're not familiar with their dancing dies, you use a little circle pop dot and their legs will actually swing back and forth. So it's a fun interactive thing. And I mean, he's so cute. Oh, you could even use him as like a get well card. Okay, then we have this brand new paper collection. This one is called Fairy Tale Christmas. It's from 3/4 Designs. So it does have sort of a nostalgic Christmas vibe, but then you pick up on some little extras. So there's like fairies and unicorns and owls and all kinds of things intertwined. They have on the back some examples of beautiful projects and layouts that they've done using this paper collection. But really, really lovely, just in time for the holiday season. We're gearing up for it already. I know we just finished summer, but it is chilly out today, so I'm feeling the Christmas spirit. Up next, we have Christmas Garden Picket Fence Card Making Kit from Katie Sue. This is a really fun one. If you haven't worked with Katie Sue products before, they're great. They like pop out, so there's no fussy cutting, and then you can assemble these beautiful, like, fun interactive cards. It looks like the fence posts sort of swing open, and then you can write a nice little message to your recipient on the bottom. And then it comes with lots of goodies. It even looks like it comes with little foam sheets, which I think is great. So really fun there. And we loved it so much, we also brought in some handy hobby aprons. I think these are really cute. There's like a masculine style. There's an artsy one for all of you creative folks out there. This would be fun to just display in your craft room. Then there's this cute one for the gardeners and this one for the bakers. It says Star Baker. So cute. So yeah, this makes 8 cards. And again, everything punches out. So I love that. Very user-friendly. From Paper Rose, we have some new holiday collections. We have the Christmas Tree Farm, we have the 6x6, we have the 12x12, and we have lots of their little die cuts and embellishments for the collection. So those I didn't grab, but here's the 6x6. Here is the Christmas Tree Farm 12x12. Look at this adorable little cat. The little barn here, so stinking cute. There's a snippet of one of the pages. Then we have Christmas Holly from Paper Rose. I love the like deeper, sort of more jewel tones that they use for this one. It's very like rich. And then there's just like a plaid. And then there's also the Christmas Holly Basics 12x12. So this one has lots of coordinating sheets that would look lovely with the collection itself or on their own. And then we have Fairy Tale Christmas. I think we loved this one so much, we actually brought in lots of single sheets for this one as well. Because it's kind of a fun spin on Christmas. And it's got like little reindeers and nutcrackers and fairies and polar bears and lots of cute little touches. And then there's some fun poinsettias, however the correct way of saying it is. And then here we have the basics. So again, this sheet kind of gives you a snapshot, and then lots of coordinating cardstock ideas down at the bottom here. And look at these snowflakes. They are to die for. Tiffany says, so gorgeous. I know, I love this one. So we definitely ordered heavy on it, as well as singles. So if you don't want to commit to a whole pack, singles is a great option. Then, moving right along to this stack here, we have, for all of you House Mouse fans, we have this cute little stamp set here. Enjoy the season, sending frosty hugs and snowy smiles. So many reasons to smile this season. How cute. It's called Snowy Smiles. Then we have some cute little metal charms from Studio Light. These are great for the holiday season. There's snowmen, there's reindeer, Santa, sleighs, presents, you name it. We brought in silver as well as gold or bronze. I think there's a third one we might have brought in as well. But if you guys are like me and you like kind of having a card with a little like something extra on it, I will oftentimes take a piece of twine, wrap it around the card, and add a charm. And that way it's not just a card because people sometimes, aren't into cards, but they'll keep the charm. And I think that's really fun. So love that. Studio Light. This one is the cutest die. It actually cuts out all of these little gnome pieces that you can use to mix and match and assemble different styles of gnomes. This one's wearing a Christmas tree hat, but like great for, again, St. Patrick's Day, Thanksgiving, new baby, Christmas, you name it. Really fun. Valentine's, why not? We have this lovely embossing folder from Studio Light. This is new. It's called Pine Forest. I don't know if you can see the way I had it, but here's kind of a better view of how cool that is. Great for dangles. Yes, I love the charms for dangles. From Art and Creative Studio, we have lots of these seasonal dies. I only grabbed two, but this one says ho ho ho, and then we have season's greetings. But they're nice and like very delicate looking and just very fun. So cut these out in like a glitter or a foil cardstock and you are all set. We also have the ephemera pack for the Season of Joy collection. I predict, Tiffany and I were talking, that this one is going to be a big hit and a very popular one. So this one is the ephemera pack. You get some sayings as well as lots of extra goodies to embellish with. And then we have this ephemera pack, which is exclusively phrases and sayings and frames, which I love. It says ho, 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 jingle, cheer, Christmas, holly, or jolly, gifts, elf, magical, and so on and so forth. They have laser cuts, which I am a huge, huge fan of. Here is what the laser cuts look like. So cute. And again, like 49 at Market, you just get all of this detail without having to fussy cut, which is a vibe. And then there's like stamps. It says things like believe in the magic, it's a wonderful life. So little phrases and sayings. And then the cutest, I just love the way they styled their Santa Clauses for this collection. So again, I'm happy to see they carried them on into the rub-ons. This is the rub-on transfer set. So cute. And if you're looking for a fun holiday activity for, a girls' night or with the kids or anything, get yourself some rub-ons and a blank candle and go to town using the rub-ons on the candle. I promise it is so easy and it looks amazing and you can just gift it away or keep it. Joanne says, good morning. Good morning, Joanne. Thank you for joining. Sorry I popped this video on you guys with no warning, but thank you. This is the Season of Joy paper pad. So this itself is the beautiful collection. It's full of all of these sort of traditional Christmas colors, but I love that they worked in some blues and some like turquoises and some non-traditional sort of feels. And then we have the Season of Joy Solids paper pad. So again, this coordinates with this, but these are also a welcome addition to your craft stash, I think, in general, because they're just beautiful. And I love that they're double-sided, so you get more options to choose from. And I think they knocked it out of the park with this collection. So look how pretty. I think that concludes my quick unboxing for this morning. Good morning, Shauna. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Like I said, if you see anything and you want to scoop it, come see us tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. or between 10 and 4. Check it out on the website, classac.ca. Click New Arrivals or shop New Arrivals in the month of September. And stay tuned for more goodies because we're continually shopping and buying more things that we all need So check us out. We're frequently updating. And until the next one, I will see you guys Monday morning. Have a great week. Bye.